Have a great day, dear students, respected viewers, and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliazam School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home, doing online class minutely, and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. Dear students of class 8, I have a class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliazam School and College. Dear students of class 8, this class is made for you. Let's move on to our today's class. Can you guess something about these pictures? Dear students, try to guess. Our today's class based on these pictures. Okay, you are rightly guessed. Thank you. That's our today's topic's name is matching sentences. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about matching, tell the meaning of the new words, match the sentences, solve the problem of matching. Dear students, when reading the sentences, you may find new words that the meaning of the new words may not be known to you. That's why these arrangements. Now we will learn the meaning of the new words. Respect, its noun, meaning regard, honor, admiration, etc. Make sentence with the word respect. You should respect your superiors. The pictures denotes that. Flag, its noun, meaning symbol, emblem, ensign, etc. Make sentence with the word flag. National flag is the symbol of independence. This is the picture of our independence. This is the national flag of Bangladesh. Independence, its noun, meaning freedom, liberty, etc. Make sentence with the word independence. 26 March is our Independence Day. The picture is also denotes that. Dear students, this is our today's topics. matching. First of all, we have to know what is matching. Matching is a process by which sentences are matched together. Dear students, in your examination paper, you will get a question like this: match the text given in column A and column B to write 5 complete sentences. Now, I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. First, column A. Number A, every free nation. Number B, it is a. Number C, Bangladesh is also. D, so she has also. E, we must show. Column B, number 1, due respect to our flag. Number 2, a flag of her own. Number 3, symbol of independence. Number 4, a free country. Number 5, last one, has a flag of its own. Dear students, a sentence from first column may connect with another sentence from column B to make correct sentence. Dear students, let us see how to make a sentence by using this column A and column B. Every free nation has a flag of its own. Number B, it is a symbol of independence. Number C, Bangladesh is also a free country. Number D, so she has also a flag of her own. Number E, we must show due respect to our flag. Dear students, let us check the answers. I have a suggested answer for you. Let us check out our answers. A plus 5, every free nation has a flag of its own. B plus 3, it is a symbol of independence. C plus 4, Bangladesh is also a free country. Number D, +2, so she has also a flag of her own. Last one, E+1, we must show due respect to our flag. The students, evaluation, what I have learned today. Tell me, what is matching? Yes, you are right. Number 2, what is the meaning of the word respect? Anyone try to say? Thank you. You are right. Number 3, make only 2 complete sentences by using A and B column. Try to make. Yes, okay, thank you. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is another matching sentences. I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Column A. Number A, the lion was about. Number B, the poor mouse. Number C, he told the lion to pay back. Number D, the lion. Number E, he let. Column B. Number 1, his kindness someday. Number 2, the mouse go. Number 3, to kill him. Number 4, begged to be excused. And last one, number 5, laughed at the mouse. Dear students, this is your homework. Try to do it at home. Dear students, we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when you going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, good luck, and thank you.